Hi, everyone. You're going to be working again on your final project. I'm hoping that you've gathered a lot of statistics, examples, testimonies, and so on, and that you've been recording where you've been getting those resources from. So, today I just want to give you a few tips about how to start organizing an essay. And so, what I have here is a great document from a teacher by the name of Linda Barrett, who teaches in Niagara, and she's got this great layout here of this is the raw work that she had gotten from a series of different sources, which are identified here, and she's highlighted the main ideas that she wants to include in her report. So later on, she does her first draft of her report down here. And what you'll notice is that it's missing a variety of different things. So, for instance, a lot of you like to include images or diagrams, perhaps showing a process, which is great to have in your report, except that you have to refer to it properly. First of all, don't include a diagram, picture, um, map unless you refer to it in your text. So in this case, she's referred to it, you'll see here, as shown in figure 1. The problem is that figure 1 isn't actually identified. So if you zip down a little bit lower here, you'll see that she's corrected that mistake by saying figure 1 and what it actually is and the source that she got it from. Second of all, she's using some quotes here. And for instance, here we are. Water security can be defined as, quote, blah, blah, blah. And what you want to do is make sure is to give credit, not as a footnote, but instead in an inline citation. So what you do is you simply put the author's name and the year that it was published right in the line. So according to this person, the year of the article. If you don't have the year of the article, then it would be the year that the article was accessed, and then continue on with the quote. So the other thing you can do is that if there's a whole bunch of information that's coming from one source, you can simply provide the author's name and the year at the end of all of that information. So, for instance, later on down here, you'll notice that all of this content here came from one source. So what they've done is they've put the author and the date at the end. Of course, at the very end of your report, you're going to have all of your references listed. Make sure that they're in alphabetical order and that you have as much of the citation material as possible. I gave quite a few of you tips on your annotated bibliographies that you just didn't quite include enough things from those websites. So try to make sure that you take a look around the website to find an author or a date that it was last updated, so that it's not just sort of the website and the date that it was accessed. Good luck with your projects.